Hey girly, Pandora here with another video. So today we have like a little fall brown eyeliner, smoky eye kind of look. Lazy girl edition always when it comes to makeup. We're going to do whatever we want to do and it still comes out, pretty good. I like to say so myself. We are going to go in with the Maven Beauty Rose Water Prep and Refresh Spray. I actually remembered this time and sprayed my face, and make sure your face is moist when applying any setting spray. We're starting to fill in our eyebrows with the Maybelline and Black Jet Black. I love having jet black eyebrows, jet black hair. If you like those things too, let me know down below. Please and thank you. And ignore my hair. I know it looks crazy. I already took that out because I was lazy and I just did whatever to my hair and I was bored. So we are just we are concealing my brows right now just to add that shape and make sure they just pop even more. We are about to go in with the Medium Blend palette. This is my favorite palette I've been using for Maven Beauty, as you guys can see. We are going to go in with the darkest shade on that palette because it gives us more of a natural look, especially for the type of eye that we're going to do today. Oh god, I burped, excuse me, sorry. So we're just gonna put that all over our lid so it looks like there's nothing there when there actually is just a little something there. We're about to go in with the brown liquid eyeliner also from Maven Beauty. Be careful when using this when you twist it, because if you twist it too much liquid eyeliner is going to come out and you're going to be frustrated and you're going to have to fix your entire face. This happened to me before but with a different color and I still have not learned my lesson. So fair warning, great eyeliner though. So now we're going to use the Define palette from Maven Beauty. I just got this. It was in my previous Maven Beauty haul. I'm just now playing into it. We are going to use the dark brown. The other colors I am planning to use for other makeup videos, so stay tuned. After my eyeliner has dried, I just decided to put that dark brown shadow underneath my eyeliner, on top of the eyeliner, and just kind of replicate the shape that I already have. So I know it looks crazy right now. Just trust the process. I did use a flat brush for this. Just trust the process. It looks kind of crazy. I am like blending it out now with a fluffier brush. I was also tapping into the palette too, just to add a little bit more brown and make it more smoky, because I know fanning it out did like wipe it away a little bit. We just want to stand out a little bit more. And that day, honestly, if you don't see it, I was like feeling kind of antisocial, but like I wanted to go out, but I didn't want to like talk to no one, but I wanted to be out with people. I know it's a weird thing. We are now using my concealer of the moment. It's just like a little dollar store concealer. Use whatever concealer you want. And make sure, you just tap, tap, tap it in and go up so your face looks nice and lifted and gifted. Okay. That was so bad, but it's staying. It's staying. Now I'm going to go in with my stocked up favorite foundation from Smith & Colt in the color 460. Yes, I use this color year round because it works year round. It's just that girl. I do like Fenty and I also like Rare Beauty, but like this was my number one, and I don't know why they decided just to become a nail polish company. I really don't know why. But we're just, add like a little light layer of foundation. Then we're going back in with our concealer on top. I'm trying to decide if I want to start adding setting powder to my routine now since it's getting a little bit colder. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Are you guys still using setting powders, or did you guys just completely give up on setting powders? Also, let me know about that too down below. Okay, cool. Now I am just bronzing my face with my Bronzer palette that I've had like forever. I know it's really bad, but it is from Morphe. I think you can only get it online. Next we are using a orange blush in the color Crave. Yes, I also used this color. I actually picked this color because it matched my pants. Yeah. But this, you really do have to layer these blushes so it can really show the pigmentation and everything. So I probably even could have used like some setting spray too to really show the color, but I just kind of felt like low-key that day. I'm just going to be using mascara for this look. I didn't feel like using falsies or anything like that because I felt like it would take away from the look. I wanted to go something more natural with the smoky eye. I feel like you don't see it that often. I am using NYX brown lip liner. You can use any brown lip liner of your choice. And I'm going in with the NYX Lingerie lipstick in brown as well. I was looking for my Juliet's Place, but I couldn't find it, so I just opted for that. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Tell me what you think, and I will have something similar in a couple of weeks or so. Let me know down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my other handles, and I'll see you next time. Bye!